foot up, underneath.
Fantastic.
So, what I'll do is because I know exactly how to feel it, whether it's come back or not,
Yeah.
and press it with a clean finger, or I'll put some gloves on maybe.
Yeah.
And then, as soon as, if I say within 3 days I feel something still,
Yeah.
I'll give you a call.
Yeah, give us a call. But the thing is out. So the question is,
Yeah,
and we saw the tip of it too.
Yeah.
Like,
yeah. It's sticking out, yeah.
yeah, so hopefully, fingers crossed. Because I might say, I can go in again, but I don't know what I'll be gouging then,
Right.
to be
yeah.
honest. If it's clear,
Yeah,
if there's no
that's what
spots or
you're saying,
anything, yeah. It might mean that you should get an ultrasound.
But I just know
Yeah.
the difference between a sort of wound pain
Yeah,
or
that's
that
later.
pain,
Yeah.
which is sort of when you press a splinter. That's a different pain.
Yeah.
It's a sharp pain.
So hopefully it's not going to
Yeah.
be there anymore. So I'm just dressing
Yeah.
this right now.
At least I know where to come now. if
Yeah.
I've got something. So do you also just normal podiatry, sort of,
I do normal podiatry too, but my specialty is kind of like gouging things out and removing nails.
More specialized.
Yeah, but I do why I started this YouTube channel was because I was
Yeah.
doing a lot of the gouging but not
Yeah.
using my other skills.
Yeah.
So in my YouTube you can see that I remove like cracked
Yeah.
heels, but your feet are beautiful.
Yeah.
You only need that to come out.
All right.
Yeah,
Okay.
so it's very, very beautiful. So what I'm going to do is
So I
just...
had a big one in here on this foot.
Yeah.
My mother had it as well.
Did you have surgery on it or?
Sorry?
Did you have surgery on it or did it go?
The surgeon, do you know which surgeon? Joel Gamera,
No.
Frenchman.
Oh, sounds fancy though. No, I haven't.
He actually works in Harley Street,
Oh,
and he's quite famous.
yeah, sounds very fancy.
He actually developed this with, I think he's called David Red.
Uh-huh.
Have you heard of him, David Redwood?
I think I've heard of David.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
They developed this together, and now there's another man on the
There's always
scene, Mr. Bianchi.
I've never heard of his because I would
really?
remember that name.
He's-
That is a very cute name.
Yeah, he's Italian,
Uh-huh.
and he sort of commutes between Milan.
Oh,
Not bad, huh?
Not bad.
Go for fashion.
just gonna do one more. That's okay. You can stop that now. Thank you. One more.